How to fix a smelly septic tank vent pipe in minutes. A bad smell coming from your septic system can make your home and yard uncomfortable. In many cases, the problem comes from the vent pipe rather than the septic tank itself. The good news is that there are several quick solutions that can help eliminate the odor fast. If you're wondering how to fix a smelly septic tank vent pipe in minutes, follow these simple steps. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. 1. Check for blockages. One of the most common causes of septic vent odors is a clogged vent pipe. Leaves, bird nests, and other debris can block airflow. What to do? Inspect the vent pipe on the roof. Remove visible debris. Use a garden hose to flush out minor blockages. Proper airflow helps septic gases escape safely. 2. Install a charcoal vent filter. A charcoal filter can absorb unpleasant odors before they spread around your property. Benefits: easy to install. Affordable. Effective odor control. Many homeowners notice an improvement within a short time. 3. Extend the vent pipe. Sometimes the vent pipe is too short, causing odors to linger near windows or outdoor spaces. Solution: add a vent pipe extension. Raise the outlet higher above the roofline. This helps gases disperse more effectively. 4. Refill dry plumbing traps. Unused sinks, showers, or floor drains can develop dry traps, allowing sewer gases to enter the home. Quick fix: run water into all drains for a few seconds. Repeat regularly in unused areas. This simple step often removes odors immediately. 5. Inspect the vent cap. A damaged vent cap may not direct gases properly. Check for cracks, missing parts, excessive wear. Replace the cap if necessary to improve ventilation. 6. Reduce excess water use. Too much water entering the septic system can create odor problems. Helpful tips: fix leaking faucets. Repair running toilets. Spread laundry loads throughout the week. A balanced septic system produces fewer odors. Knowing how to fix a smelly septic tank vent pipe in minutes can save time and prevent frustration. By checking for blockages, installing a charcoal filter, extending the vent pipe, and maintaining your plumbing system, you can quickly reduce septic odors and keep your home smelling fresh. Regular maintenance is the best way to prevent future septic vent pipe problems. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.